multiplication problem with a linear function, finding a coordinate given the slope and a point. So here's my context. Suppose that the monthly cost of a long-distance phone plan in dollars is a linear function of the total calling time in minutes. So the monthly cost is a function of the calling time. So we have the cost along the y-axis here and the calling time along the x-axis. When graphed, the function gives a line with a slope of 0.11. See the figure below, okay? The monthly cost for 46 minutes of calls, so you can see the 46 here as the x value or the x coordinate, and it's matched up here with $12.49 as the monthly cost. What is the monthly cost for 55 minutes of calls? So what they're asking us here is if this line, right, continues to go out. So I'm going to extend that line a little bit. Okay. So if this line continues out this way, okay, when I get out to 55, and let me move this x over here, okay, where is this line going to be at? So let me extend this one a little bit. Now you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for a visual reference. Okay. And I'll go ahead and extend the y here. Okay. So let's see. Let's go to 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Oh, I don't even need to go that far, just to 55, okay? So here's 46, there's 50, there's 55. So I want to know, right, at 55, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mimic what they did at the other point. Right, at 55, what's going to be my y-coordinate this way? Now I haven't drawn this to scale. I'm just kind of trying to get a visual here of what the problem is and what they're asking us. So what we want to know is what is that value right there. Okay? So for 46 minutes, my cost is $12.49. If I use 55 minutes, what's the cost going to be? Okay? And we need to use the slope because the other information they gave me is the slope of this line. Now we need to think about what slope means exactly. Okay? So slope, I'll write it right here, is the change in y. That little triangle means the change in y over the change in x. Okay? So this is a decimal right now. If I write it as a fraction, that would be 0.11 over 1. So that means every time x changes by 1 unit, y is going to change by 11 cents. So when I go up to 47 here and my x changes or goes up 1 unit, then that means over here on the y side, okay, my cost is going to go up 11 cents. So every time I add 1 here, this is plus 1, okay, that's my change in x. Then my y is going to go up 11 cents. Or this is my change in y, okay? So my new cost here would be $12.49 plus 11, so this would be $12.60. Now we just need to count how many times am I going to do this, right? So 46 to 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, right? If my x is going to change by 9, so this time To go from there to there, we're adding 9. Okay, and that's my change in x. Then to go from here to here, right? Every time I add 1 here, this goes up by 11 cents. So if I add 9, then this is going to add 11 cents 9 times, or 9 times 11 cents is what I'm going to add to my price. Okay? So I need to know what $12.49 plus 11 cents added on 9 times is going to be. So I'll just use my calculator here. Okay, so I'm starting with $12.49, and I'm going to add on 11 cents 9 times, or 9 times 0.11. So $13.48 will be the monthly cost for 55 minutes. So this right here is my solution. It's going to be $13.48. Right? And that's my final solution right